Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we are going to talk about these and those. Last video we learned about this and that. We learned this for close to us and that for far away, far to us. So same this our subject, these and those. If there one flower, we speak this is a flower. This is a flower. We speak this is a flower. But here more than one, plural. So we speak here those are flowers because there is more than one. So we say those are flowers. Those are flowers. We also use here are for plural and put here is. So if the noun close to us, close to me, close to us, we use these. We use these. These are flowers because here more than one, plural. If the singular, we speak this is a flower. If singular, we speak this is a flower. But here more than one, so we say these are flowers. And also here those are flowers because here flowers far away, far to me. Then we use those. And also here more than one, plural here. So we use those are flowers. Also here is. Okay. Also here is and use are. If singular flower, if flower is singular, only one, then we speak if far away. If far away and singular one, when we speak that is a flower. That is a flower. That is a flower. But here more than one. So we use those. Those are flowers. Okay, same thing. Okay, same thing here. If the things are singular, only one piece, so we can say this is a marker. This is a marker because marker close to us, close to me. So we can say this is a marker. If far away, I just say that is a marker. That is a marker. But if more than one close to me, we say these are marker. These are markers. These are markers because this two marker and close to me, nearby me, near, close. So if close me, just say these are markers. These are markers. If far away, we can say just those are markers. Those are markers. Is far away. We also use R and S in the nouns. End of noun we use S. So those are markers. Okay. Now here is another we use for negative. Okay. Here we use these aren't flowers because these chairs, not flowers, and more than one chairs, more than one chair. So we can say these aren't flowers. These aren't flowers. Also here aren't is contraction word. Are not. This contraction word. So we use those aren't flowers. Those aren't flowers. These are chairs. Okay. And also this far away, and we use negative for the negative. Those aren't flowers. Those, because here more than one, but this not flowers. These are all chair. So we say those aren't flowers. Those aren't flowers. And also here we use contraction are not. In short, this are and are not. In short, aren't. Those aren't flowers. Okay. Let's move on the next part. Now we learn about question. How to make question to these and those. Here example. Here if you want to make question, you just switch are front of sentence, become front are, this be verb. If you want to make question, you just be verb bring front. So here if be verb come front, then we this sentence are these flowers, because here more than one, so we use s, and close is close, so we use these. Are these flowers? Answer yes, these are. Okay, yes, these are. Are these flowers? Yes, these are. And are those flowers? Are those flowers? Because flowers far away. So we use here those. And also question, we be verb bring here front of sentence, front of. So we use here are these flowers? Are these flowers? The answer is yes, these are. Yes, these are. Okay. Also, these are not chairs. These are not flowers. These are chairs. So question, are these flowers? Are these flowers? Are these flowers? Here also for question, bring here be verb for make question. For make question, be verb bring front. So are these flowers? Because these are not flowers, so we can say no, isn't. No, isn't. No, here because more than one, so we speak aren't. No, no, these aren't. Okay, no, these aren't. No, are not. Also we speak no, are not. Or you speak contraction word no, aren't. And also here far away, but those are not chairs. So we make question, are these flowers? Are those flowers? Are those flowers? Because this far away and also more than one, this plural. So we our sentence, are those flowers? The answer is no, those aren't. Those are not. Okay, those aren't. Those aren't. So guys, same we use here before already we use. If the marker 1, then we ask, is this marker? Is this marker? Is this marker? Yes, it is. And if 2 markers, when we ask, are these marker? Are these marker? Yes, these are. Yes, these are. And if far away, is those, are those marker? Are those marker? Yes, yes, those are. Okay. And for question, we ask, is this a pen? Is this a pen? Is this a pen? Speak no, isn't. No, isn't. And if 2, more than 1 and close, and we ask, are those pen? Are those pens? Are those pens? No. No, are not. No, aren't. No, aren't. No, aren't. And far away, are those a pen? Are those a pen? Answer is no, aren't. Okay. I hope you understand what I want to say for use those, these and those, and you practice more and more. So guys, I hope you all my videos watch and share and subscribe. Please share and subscribe, so we make more and more video. Okay, we just see after next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.